Yan?
Oh, yes.
Are you working on something right now?
I was in my...
Great. Now to tell you the truth, I just changed my mind.
Again. So go on the project planner. I guess you've seen the notification. Drop everything you're doing. We're back on a Vegas project. I updated the design. And maybe you could ask...
Damn, Danny boy. Can you please help Ian? I added you on some of his tasks so you two can collaborate. And in 3 days, you need a working model for the presentation.
Dinner at 8 is perfect. I love you too, Mom. Karen, could you please...
How's Mommy?
She's fine. Could you please find a 3D printing shop in Vegas so we can remotely print the new design for Sarah? Dave and Ian are updating it. It should be ready now. Yes, Mom, Italian is fine.
Dan, I want to ask you...
Ian? I might be a mama's boy, but at least my mama taught me never to panic. I don't know what Ian's mom taught him, but he seems to have forgotten that his work lives forever in the cloud. All he has to do is log on from another computer or tablet. Maybe I should tell him before he really loses it.
Convention center, please. Dad, did you take my tablet? Dad?
With a 3D experience platform on the cloud, you can plan and replan to raise your company to the next level.